Okay, now that the makeup department's done making me beautiful, this next series of videos I'm going to do are going to be on my high-grade Chinese turquoise. I collected this material over a 9-month period. I spent numerous trips over to China, sourcing out turquoise, finding different areas in various provinces. I think I've already said it would cover, I covered 3 different provinces. This particular turquoise I purchased between, I'll say 1987 and maybe into the maybe into the early 90s. I had made a decision that I was going to save all of the best for future times, mostly for when I got to the age where it was very difficult for me to do metalsmithing, intricate inlay jewelry, things like that. Well, I've achieved old-timer status, so I've got all of my super high grade out. I'm going to start out showing you videos of me, or of my stone, trying to explain to you why I approach things a certain way in hopes to help you in the future when you're cutting up rough material. It's very difficult to determine what's inside of a piece of rough material, even if it looks like it's got super material all the way around. A lot of times when you cut into a piece of rough, you find surprises. Anyway, this is the introduction to a new multiple part series, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.